Hi, hi. How are you doing? Doing well? That's good. Okay, let's get to the work. How about page 17? This is where we left off last week. That's page 17 on modes. Okay, now this is a chart I want you to remember. Okay, Ionian mode is like a C major mode. Okay, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, like a C major. Dorian, it starts from D to D. Phrygian starts on E, the third degree, scale degree, and Lydian is a fourth degree, which is F. Mixolydian, fifth degree, which is G. Aeolian, sixth degree, A. Locrian, it's like a leading tone, seventh degree, B. Okay, on B. All right. And this is the number I want you to remember. Now, there are half steps. Now, if it's Ionian, like a C major, it's 3 to 4, which is E to F, okay, and B to C. All E to F and B to C. Okay, look at the number for Dorian. It's 2 and 6. Now, Phrygian, it's 1 and 5. Okay, so I want you to look at the number for the first one. It's 3 to 1, 4, 3 to 1. Okay, and for the second half steps, it's 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 4. Got it? Can you remember that? Okay, try it again. Now close your eyes. Half steps beginning on Ionian. Okay? Now, first roll, please. It's 3 to 1. And from Lydian, it's 4, 3 to 1. Okay, for the second half steps, Ionian, it's 7, 6, 5. And from Lydian, 7, 6, 5, 4. Got it? Okay, so let's go ahead and work on the page 17. We did Phrygian last week. Can we try this one again today? Okay, Phrygian. Now, Phrygian is a third degree, right? Okay, and it starts on E. Okay, but sometimes now you can start this Phrygian mode in different note. Okay, like this one. It says beginning on B. Okay, so B is going to be the third degree. Then what is going to be the first scale degree then? Now B, A, G. That's a G, right? In key of G major, there's F sharp. So there's F sharp. Okay, we're going to do some more exercises on Phrygian mode. Okay, when we have Phrygian mode starting, beginning on C. Okay, so we'll do like this. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, right? Okay, Phrygian mode. What's that again? Phrygian is a third degree. If C is a third, then what's 1? There's 2 and 1. C, B, and A, right? So this is it. First degree is A. In the key of A major, now this becomes a key tone. Okay, A major. What do you have in the key of A major? We have F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp, right? So you got a sharp F, C, and G. See, that's a Phrygian mode. Now, let's double check. Now, in the Phrygian mode, you have a half step from 1 to 2 and 5 to 6, right? 1 to 2. Look, this is the half step. Okay? 5 to 6, G sharp to A is half step. Isn't that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so this is Phrygian mode. What if we do something else, like another Phrygian mode beginning on E? Oh, you know what? Phrygian mode is E already, okay? How about beginning on G? Okay, so you do G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, right? You do that. And if G is the third degree, then what's the first degree then? F and E. Isn't that E? In the key of E major, what do you have? You have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. 4 sharps. Then you got a sharp F, C, G, and the first one, right? And D. That's how you do it. Okay? All right, good. And can we try Dorian mode today? Now we see I lost track of time last week, so I was working on it with you. Okay, and I noticed there's the video is stopped. Okay, so we're gonna do this again today. Now Dorian mode, beginning on D. Now, by looking at this, Dorian mode is a second degree, which is D. Okay? So it's very simple. You just draw notes from D to D. And you don't do anything to it. Okay? Good. How about what if it's a Dorian mode beginning on E? Okay? So you do E to E. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. Right? Now, what's Dorian again? It's a second degree. 2. If E is 2, then what's 1? Isn't that D? Yeah. In the key of D major, what do you have? You have F sharp and you have C sharp. That's it. Okay? So this is Dorian mode on E, beginning on E. You want to try one more? Okay. Now this time we're going to do the same Dorian mode beginning on F. Okay? So there's F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. If F is a second degree, okay, it's a Dorian mode, right? Then what's the first degree? It's E, isn't it? In the key of E major, you have F sharp, C sharp, you have G sharp, and D sharp, right? So this is it. Okay? All right, then check it out. Now you have half step between 2 and 3 and 6 and 7. So 2 and 3 and 6 and 7. D sharp to E. Isn't that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Good. All right, that's it. Good. Then can we go to the page 16 and do all other works? Okay, now page 16. Number 1, chromatic scale beginning on B. Okay, this is what you do. You gotta draw B to B and B to B down here, okay? But half steps. So when you go up, when you ascend, you wanna use the sharps, okay? B to C. There's no black key in between, right? So this is half step. C to C sharp. That's a black key. C sharp to D, D to D sharp. Again, D sharp to E. And there's no black key after E, so there's F, F sharp, G, G sharp. A sharp, B, B flat. Okay, we did it up to the top, right? Now we're going to go down. What's half step below B? It's a B flat. Half step below B flat is A. Then there's A flat, G, G flat. There's F, right? What's half step below F? It's E. Okay, we're going to do diatonically. Okay, now here, E flat, D, D flat, C, and there's a B, right? That's it. Okay, now we'll do B major scale now. Easy. Now draw the notes from B to B. B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, just ascending only. All right, then you tell me, what do you have in the key of B major? F, C, G, D, A sharp, right? Okay, so sharp them. F, C, G, D, A sharp. 5 sharps. Okay. Let's do B natural minor. Okay. Draw the notes from B to B. B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Okay. Now what's a relative of B natural minor? B minor? It's a 3-step higher, which is D major, right? It's like a D major. What do you have in the key of D major? F sharp, then C sharp. That's it. And you don't have to raise the 7th or 6th because this is natural minor. Okay, now whole tone scale beginning on C sharp. Okay, here's a C sharp. What's a whole tone from C sharp? That's a black key, right? And there's a D and D sharp. And whole tone from D sharp is, now you gotta imagine a keyboard in your mind. Okay, now there's D sharp, E, F, right? There's F. And whole tone from F is G. Whole tone from G is A. Okay, whole tone from A is B. And whole tone from B is, the whole step from B is C sharp. There you go. So C sharp to C sharp. 7 notes. Okay, now D flat major. Okay, easy. Draw the notes from D to D. In the key of D flat major, we have flats, right? B, E, A, D, and do one more, G flat. Okay, so go ahead and flat them. B flat first, E flat, A flat, 2 D flats, first one and the last one, and G flat. Got it? That was easy. Okay, now G harmonic minor. Okay, so we're gonna draw G, no, it's a G sharp harmonic minor. Now, just ascending is good. Okay, G to G. And we're gonna figure out the key signature. What's the relative major of a G sharp minor? 3 steps higher, right? Minor to major is 3 steps higher, 3 half steps higher, which is B major. What do you have in the key of B major? We have sharps. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, 2 G sharps, right? F, C, G, D sharp, and A sharp. Okay, now we're gonna figure out the harmonic minor. What's harmonic minor? You gotta raise the 7. But look, the 7th note, you already have F sharp, right? Now, how do you switch this to, how do you raise this then? This become, so double sharp then, okay? It's double sharp, like X mark on F. Okay, all right, we did this last week, mixolydian. What's mixolydian? Mixolydian is the 5th degree, isn't it? Mixolydian is 5, which is G. All right, now can we try this again in other keys? Now, what if we do like mixolydian mode beginning on E? Okay, mixolydian mode beginning on E. So you have E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, as you know, mixolydian means 5, right? So this is 5th one. For E is the 5th one. Then what's the first one? E, D, C, B, A. First one is A. Now this becomes a ketone, right? A major. What do you have in the key of A major? You have F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Okay? All right. Now can we try one more? What if we do a mixolydian again? And F, beginning on F. Okay? So there's F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, mixolydian is, which scale degree is that? 5th. Then what would be the first one? Okay, what? What do you think? F, E, D, C, B. Is that a B or is that a B flat? It is B flat because it has to be perfect 5th, not diminished 5th or augmented 5th, but it has to be perfect 5th. Okay, in the key of B flat major, what do we have? We have B flat and E flat. Get it? All right, good. That's the way to do it. All right, so let's go on. Okay, we did mixolydian last week. So can we do Locrian mode? Okay, we already did that. Locrian is the 7th, like a leading tone, same L. Okay, so B to B. Now what if we do Locrian mode beginning on something else, like how about D? Locrian mode on D. Okay, so we're gonna do with a bass clap D. Here we go. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Okay, what's Locrian again? It's the 7th. It's a 7. If it's 7, what's the first one then? Go back 5 steps, which is C, isn't it? Yeah. So in the key of C major, on D, I'm sorry, this is D. D is the 7th. Then what is going to be the first one? Isn't that E? See, I was looking at this. In the key of E major, okay, E to B is perfect 5th, right? Yes. In the key of E major, what do we have? We have sharps. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. That's it. Okay? All right, that's how you do it. Good. Let's do F sharp natural minor. Okay, now what's the relative of F? F sharp, which is A, right? A major. Okay, so draw notes from F to F. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, what do you have in the key of A major? We have F sharp, two F sharps, of course. C, G. Where's G? There you go. There are three sharps. Okay? All right, this is it. Okay, good. Now let's go to the page 17. Okay, F major. And you know, there's a one B flat. So draw the notes from F to F in the bass clef. D, E, and F. Okay, and flat the B. Okay, next one, chromatic scale beginning on D. Okay, so we're gonna do D first, and half step above D is D sharp, and half step above D sharp is E, then F, there's F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, then there's a C, C sharp, and D. There you go. Now we're gonna go down now, okay? What's a half step below D? It's a D flat, put the flat sign. C, now half step below C is B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E flat, and D. Got it? Okay. Whole tone scale. Now, whole tone scale beginning on E. Okay. Shall we do E down here? Okay. Now, what's whole tone from E? Whole step. Not F, but F sharp. Okay. Whole step from F sharp is G sharp. Whole step from G sharp is A sharp. Whole step from A sharp is C, right? Am I right? A, B, and B, yeah. Yes, and the whole step from C is D, and whole step from D is E. Good. Let's do C sharp major. As you know, there are all 7 sharps, right? So draw the notes from C to C in the bass clef. And sharp them. Sharp all of them. G, A, B, C. That was easy. Okay, let's do C melodic minor, ascending and descending, right? Okay. What's the relative of C? It's an E flat. Okay, just keep that in your mind. Okay, so we do C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and go down. B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Okay. E minor is C minor is relative of E flat major. What do you have in the key of E flat? B flat, E flat, and A flat. That's what I need you to do. Flat them. B flat, 2 B flats, E flat, and A flat. Okay. Yeah. Melodic minor. Now when you ascend, you gotta raise the 6th and 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? This A flat becomes A natural. Same thing with the B flat. B flat becomes B natural. Okay? But when you go down, back to its flats. Okay? Good. Now we did Phrygian and Dorian, so we're going to skip to the F sharp major now. Okay? Sharp key. Now draw the notes from F to F. G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay? What do you have in the key of F sharp? Everything except what? B sharp. Okay? So sharp everything, but no B. That was easy. Okay. Now let's do a chromatic scale beginning on A sharp, ascending and descending. Okay, so there's A sharp. What's half step above A sharp? See, when you go up, we're gonna use we'll do sharps, right? That's B, and there's a C, right? Then C sharp, D, D sharp, E, then F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and there's A and A sharp. Okay, now we're gonna go down. Okay, now it's half step A sharp, half step from A sharp. It's A natural, right? Make sure you do the natural side. Okay, now flat. How about same A flat? Okay, then G, G flat, F, then E, E flat, D. I need you to think the keyboard, okay? D flat, C, B, okay, and there's A sharp. Got it? Okay, great. Okay, now shall we do page 18 now? Okay, page 18. Now, whole tone scale beginning on G flat. It's a whole tone scale, 7 notes. Here's G flat. What's the whole tone, whole step from G flat? In case you don't get it, you can use this. Here's G flat. 1, 2, half step, 2 half steps, right? Which is whole step, which is A flat. Here, G flat, A flat. And whole step is 1, 2, which is B flat. Okay, 1, 2, which is C natural. Okay, 1, 2, D. 1, 2, E. 1, 2. That's a G flat, right? See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 notes for the whole tone scale. Okay. E flat natural minor. So draw the notes from E flat to E flat. Okay, so here we go. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. What's a relative of E flat? It's a G flat major, right? In the key of G flat major, what do we have? We have B, E, A, D, G, C. Everything except F. Okay, so flat everything except F. Just skip the F. This is it. It's a natural minor, so you don't have to do anything to it. Okay, now B flat harmonic minor. Okay, now let's do from B flat to B flat. Draw the notes from B to B. Okay, what's the relative of B flat? It's a D flat major. What do you have in the key of D flat major? B, E, A, D, G. 5 flats, right? So B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. Good. Is that it? No, we gotta work on the harmonic minor now. What do? You gotta raise the 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this A flat becomes A natural. Or you can erase it. Okay? All right. Now C flat major. Easy. Draw the notes from C to C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Okay? As you know, they're all 7 flats, right? Flat them. E, F, G, A, B, and C. Okay, good. Now let's do more modes. Oh, I love modes. Okay, Aeolian mode beginning on E. All right, here we go. Now, so we're gonna draw the notes from E to E first. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. So it's beginning on E, right? Okay. Now what's Aeolian mode? A, which is the 6th degree, right? Aeolian mode, 6. If E is 6, then what's 1? Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. E, D, C, B, A, G. Isn't that G? In the key of G major, what do you have? We have F sharp. Okay? And would you like to double check it? If it's here. If it's the Aeolian, you're gonna have a half step between 2 and 3, which is right here. 2 and 3. This is half step. And 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. B to C is half step, isn't it? Yeah, so this is good. All right. Would you like to try this in different key now? Okay. All right. How about we do Aeolian mode beginning on G. Let's try that on G. Okay, so you're going to draw the notes from G to G. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, now Aeolian mode is what? 6 degree, right? It's a 6 scale degree. Then what's 1? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this is G, F, E, D, C, B. Isn't that B? Okay, and it has to be the major 6. Okay, all right. So what's from B to G is major 6? No. How about B flat? B flat to G is major 6. What do you have in the key of B flat major? We have a B flat and E flat. Okay, either it can be it's like a major scale. Now 2, major 2, major 3, perfect 4, perfect 5th, major 6, major 7, right? It has to be major or perfect. Cannot be minor or diminished. Okay? All right. Now can we do Lydian mode? What's Lydian mode? It's 4th degree. Okay? On F. Here we go. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. And again, the Lydian mode is 4th degree, and in the key of C major, F is 4th, right? So this is it, F to F, and you don't need to draw sharp or flat. Okay, can we try this in other key then? What if it's a Lydian mode in the key of and the beginning on G? How about beginning on G? Okay, so this is what you do. We'll do for the bass clap. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And G is the 4th because it's a Lydian mode, 4th degree, scale degree. Then what's the first one? G, F, E, D, right? So this is D. D to G is perfect 4th, right? Yes. So in the key of D major, what do you have? You have F sharp, then C sharp. That's it. So this is it. This is Lydian mode. Okay? All right. I think you got it. Okay. Let's do the bottom of page 18. This. Now write the complete name for each of the following box scale. This. What scale would that be? Now we have E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, and E, right? E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Isn't that E major? It is E major scale. Major. Good. Okay, let's go to the page 19 now. Okay, page 19, B. It's by Mr. Schumann. Okay, here. Now, by just looking at it, we have F sharp and C sharp, which is D major maybe? Okay, let's see. This might be a D major scale. Let's check it out. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. It is. It is D major. So it's a D major scale. Now we have from D to D with 8 notes. Okay, and all these notes are the part of D major. Okay, good. Now can we do C now? Excuse me. Okay. All right. Now what do we have? 2 flats. Is that a B flat? In the key of B flat major. Okay. Let's take a look at it here. We have a B flat, C, D, B, C, D again. E flat, F, G, A, B. Yes, we do have. Just forget about the repeated notes. We have B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. B flat major scale. Good. Now, next one. Okay, by just looking at the key signature, this could be F major or D minor. Okay, look here. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. From D to D with a B flat. Okay, so this is D natural minor because nothing was raised, right? Natural minor. Oh, I gotta put minor here. D natural minor. if it's harmonic, you should see a C sharp. Okay? If it's melodic, you gotta have a B natural and C sharp. Okay, next one. This is bottom of the page 19. Oh, there are a lot. Look, when it goes down, you see the flats. When it goes up, you see the sharps. And these are all half steps. What do you think? It's a chromatic scale, right? Yeah, but what kind of chromatic scale is that? Let's see, what's the lowest note? B? But it only goes up to G only, right? So we don't know which one. Okay, so just chromatic scale. Chromatic scale. Good job. Let's go to the next page now. This is page 20, but you know what? Ooh, you know what? We have to stop here. We are running out of time. Okay, we're gonna do the page 20 next week then. Okay. Now you did so well today, and was good job. Okay, we'll see you next week. Have a wonderful day.